Hi there, my name is Sarah, and I'm here today with iHealthBrokers to bring you the latest in healthcare and health insurance news in less than 1 minute. Now at iHealthBrokers, we are licensed health insurance brokers, so if you have any questions about your health insurance, please feel free to send us a message, or you can call us at 888-918-0518. We're licensed nationwide, and there is absolutely no charge for our services. Recently, we released a video about at-home COVID testing kits and reimbursement through your insurance. Unfortunately, at the time, Medicare was not participating at this. It does look like that's set to change. Sometime in the spring, Medicare will, in some way, help to reimburse or help to provide free at-home COVID testing kits. The details are still a little bit fuzzy, so we don't have the exacts for you just yet. All we know is that it's set to take place sometime in the spring, so we'll update you just as soon as we have more information. If you have any questions, like I said, please feel free to send us a message. You can call us at iHealthBrokers at 888-918-0518. And make sure to check us out at iHealthBrokers on our YouTube channel, on Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. We'll see you next time.